Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng trilang kikenthei madan batriat Laban, lembat kecing trilang bat kaseng samla madan Laban batriat Laban. Haka arp khandai tarik unai tung archar pesan kira penong deka awareness program. Kum kecing hikai ki kena school bat di samla kadong na kecing ma jong udong. Haka ni ka awareness program kebelawan ban shimenta da santa di school ki bekentup ya ke school right Laban, ke Saint John Higher Secondary School Laban, ke Nepali School Madan Laban, Sunderland School, but Kalaban Assamese Girl. Kapang jogani ke program kadai Your Choice, Your Future, Drok Free Begin With Me. Kejimut baka sing samla, lem ke sing kentei, baki penong, kalong ban ai jing hikai ki samla ban rai no drok, but na kejing penon kam bakla yu ni ujing di pen buai. Unong yalam ke sing samla kejing kran jong ulaong, baka jing yada ke kampa ya kejing sumar, bat kata kejing yada kadai bangin stang na ladi. Hakani ke awareness program na sakhilang na Manpa Foundation bat i Dr. Rika Lama ibla ajing hikai na katanat pulit Antf do inspector Novin coach la shimbentalang da dream mission jong ka sarkar chila hapo ka chingalam uba Francis Kharshieng bat no MDC ka than uba Riki Shulai. Hakani ke awareness na kalyang katanat Antf kabla ra ringkat artli Ksew bat kalpin I shikhna school Kumno ki Ksew K9 Kisma batlap ya Drok hakamet jong Briew ni shakrum jong ki kali.
She's Brandy. She's Safi. These are K9 evening dogs. Suppose we are doing any search on the vehicle, right super. Yep. Right. Right. Yep. Right. Right. Alright. Yep. Push. Push.
And we have been giving awareness programs and giving information, especially to you young children. Okay, so I also see the Sankintay, Longkamis, sister, principal, and Seng Samla, and many others who perhaps I do not recognize. But anyway, I will not take much of your time. It is very important for all of us to have this kind of a program for young children. Can you tell me why it is important that we are meeting here today? Can any of you? Why are we having this program? Perhaps anybody? Yes? Do you know what this program is today? Yes, drugs awareness. Okay. So, why is it important for you to know about drugs? Can any of you tell me? Quick. In class also you get up, no, and answer quickly. Okay. Just say whatever. It's all right. We are not here to correct you, to give you marks. Okay. We just want to know. Okay. How much you know. Okay. So why do you think we are having this program for you all? Pardon? Please stand up. Yes, to keep yourselves away from drugs. Okay. Is that correct? Everybody agrees with that? Okay. So, all of you have heard the word drugs. Okay. The term drugs. Can anybody tell me what a drug is? Whatever comes to your mind, can you tell me what a drug is? So please take the answers to this question. What is a drug? What is a drug? Just tell me any first word that comes to your mind when you hear the word drug. Quickly. Yes? You can hear me, right? Okay, tell me. What do you think when the word drug comes to your mind? Quickly. Yes. Say. Alcohol. Okay. What about you? What do you think when the word drugs comes to your mind? What is it? What does it mean? What comes to your mind? Ganja. Okay. Very good. At least he's aware. I'm sure you all are aware. So, anybody from here? Drug. Now, it is important for you all to know what are the different types of drugs. Okay? Are drugs bad? Are all drugs bad? Yes or no? Who says no? Raise their hands. Up. Yes. Only one hand. 2 hands. 3 hands. Okay. And the others who say yes? Everyone. Everyone. Okay, I presume it's everyone. So, drugs are good. Okay. But different kinds of drugs. That is why it's important for you all to know which are the good drugs, which are the bad drugs. Okay? And why are they bad? Okay? For example, you all said medicines. Medicines are what? Good drugs. Okay? But some medicines can also be bad. Okay? So now I will tell you. Once you know what are the different types of drugs, then you'll say, oh yes, now this is bad. Okay? These are good. Okay? So that is why it's important to know what are the different types of drugs.
NDPS Act is. Anyone knows what is this NDPS Act? The full form of NDPS Act is Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act. In layman's term, we can understand what is this narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. It is just drugs. Okay, there are different kind of drugs. So, and this NDPS Act talks about those drugs which are punishable. Means, but then how will we understand what is an narcotic drug and psychotropic substances? Can anyone tell me? It's very simple. It is from the book. There is a schedule in the NDPS Act whereby there is a list of all the substances which falls under NDPS Act. And then what is an offense? What is the crime under this act? How will we understand? Okay, let me explain you. Anybody who buys or who sells or who possesses or who store in their house or who manufacture the NDPS substances which is there already in the list, they are punishable under this act. Okay? But before starting our lesson, I'll like to inform you that we have a sniffer dog. You know what is sniffer dog? They used to sniff and then they used to detect. Because we have well-trained sniffer dog who used to help us in our investigation. So I think people are feeling a little bored with the continued class. So I would like to take you outside for some time to show you a little demonstration how our dogs perform. How do they detect drugs hidden in some corner of the room or wherever. They are well trained, they know how to detect. So let us go outside and observe how it is done. Okay, please. After that, we will start the session.
Laban, we have put up a team. We have put up a team which says, be smart, stay safe, prevention starts with me. I think so those who have got the invitation card, you must have seen that we have put the theme of today's program. Be smart, stay safe, prevention starts with me. The very theme is very clear. I think so we should be smart. We need to be smart so that we can stay safe from any dangers in our lives. And also, as the saying says, prevention is better than cure. And that prevention starts from within ourselves, because when something reaches to the curing stage, the onus of responsibility for curing our illness shifts to our dear and near ones, especially our parents. This is what we want to prevent, so that our parents will not worry. That's why we have come up with that theme. Be smart, stay safe, prevention starts with me. So, inviting each and every one of you to this very program. So let us kickstart with the session. I think so I'll hand over to the comparer, Dr. Miss Alisha Marbarani, to proceed on with the program.